Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Remy. Welcome and click on the subscribe button so you could become a subscriber, so whenever I post a video you could be notified. Alright, so let's get right into this video. As you can see guys, I have two different protective hairstyles. On this side I have twist, and on this side I have braids. As you guys know, my go-to protective style is twist, but lately I've discovered that there's a difference between the two when it comes to moisturize. So the reason for that I have two different protective hairstyles on my hair right now, I want to share with you. Yes, I want to share with you which one of the styles that will keep moisture in your hair the longest. Guess in the comment section below which one you think. By looking at the styles, the two different styles, which one you think, which side of my hair you think is more moisturized? Do you think the twist side is more moisturized, or do you think the braid side is more moisturized? Alright, but let's get into the video, guys. So guys, these are the things that you will need, okay? A water bottle. You can have just plain water, or you could put leave-in conditioner and some cream and oil. Right now I'm using the buttercream by Aunt Jackie. I love this thing. Right now this is Aunt Jackie's kids leave-in conditioner. You can use it if you want to. Cantune I don't know, I think it's cream, something like that. Cantune products are like, you know, my hair, it's getting used to them. I really and they're very affordable. I washed my hair the day before I washed my hair, and I put them in big twists because I knew I was going to do this video for you guys. Right now I am trying to detangle my hair, finger detangle my hair before I put any comb in my hair. I also detangled my hair in the shower and put some leave-in conditioner that Aunt Jackie, while I was in the shower and it was steamy and everything, I put some leave-in conditioner. I normally do this and I go back the next day to really sit down and detangle my hair and add moisturizer, oil, and some type of cream. So I'm just going to part my hair in two sections, one for the twist, one section for the twist, and the other side for the braids. Alright, so I'm just using, this is how I do it. I spray my hair, I apply the leave-in conditioner, and then I add the little cream, and then if I have something else, I'll add the shea moisture, and then I put the buttercream at the tip, and then I do the sealing method with my own oil. Okay, if my hair, I don't put the comb yet because the oil helps my hair soften. This oil, listen, it helps my hair soften, so that's when I just like try to take my time and really let the product marinate in my hair, you know, to penetrate through my hair shafts. And look at that. Let me tell you, the not Aunt Jackie, the Cantune actually have like makes my hair really curly, and that never happened before. So right now I'm just finger detangling my hair before I apply any. I use any comb or the brush. I have the brush and the comb, but I find that that type of brush actually pull out my hair a lot, so I use a comb. I have a bigger tooth comb, but I use this one because if I use the big one, it will not help my hair really detangled. All right, so I'm using this one. I'll insert a picture so you guys, if you want to get it, you can get it. And then look at how easy and breezy it was to just come through. So I really start from the roots very tight because it's twist. Once you let go, it's just gonna be fluff up again. All right, so keep watching. would like to use my fingers to apply the oil, which it's good instead of using the applicator to drop the oil into your scalp. Use your finger and then massage it in your scalp, okay? And also apply the oil on your hair as well. For some people, the hair will like the oil on their hair instead of the scalp, so make sure you figure out which works for you best. Okay, as you know, I love my twist. Okay, I've been doing twists for such a long time and it really helps grow my hair. But when it comes to the braids, if I really want to do for my hair to moisturize, to stay moisturized longer, the braids is better. But the braids, they just take too much time, and if I want to reapply moisture, I just have to spray my hair. So for the twist, I will sit down and watch something on YouTube and just re-unravel them and just apply moisture again. One thing that really helps my hair keep moisturized as well, I do not use a shower cap. Okay, so when I go take a shower, I just put my hair up in a bun while they twist up, and then just like let the steam, or when I come out, I just take some leave-in conditioner and some oil, made a paste, and then just apply it to my hair and to my ends. So right now I'm going to do the other side with the braids. The braids will look a little bit skinnier than the twist. That's why I like the twist better, because I can actually make different styles with them if I want to go out. As for the braids, I I don't know. They just look too skinny and I look bald. Okay. Make sure that you give your scalp a good massage, okay? Just to have blood circulate through your scalp. Alright, and guys, that's why look how thick this side look, and look how thin the other side look. I just look so bald where the braids are. and I didn't have much hair came out, as you will see, and that should be all our goal. Okay, so now have much hair come out. That's why it's important to detangle your hair in the shower. Also, wash your hair often, because for me, when I wash my hair often, I don't have much hair come out. So I don't know if it's the same for you. You just have to have just like a personal relationship with your hair. Look at that, not much at all. So I'll see you guys the next 2 days. Hi guys, today is day 2. Okay, so I did my hair on Thursday. Today is Saturday. I'll say day 2. So I'm going to show you guys how the twist and the braids look like without me moisturizing my hair. I was going to do it today, but I'm not going to, so I'm just gonna leave it for like 5 days. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it for 5 days and then show you guys how it looks after 5 days. Okay. I normally wear a bonnet or some scarf. I don't know where I put my bonnet lately, so I just been using different scarves. Okay, satin scarves. So right now, so now we here guys, we're about to take the hair out. Okay, so I'm glad that you saw from today is day 5. Yes, today is day 5, so I am taking the braids out. Normally I will keep my hair in for probably like a week or more than a week, more than 7 days, right? But just I wanted to show you guys between those 5 days I will still go back and moisturize my hair. But as you saw, I did not add moisture in my hair, anything like that, throughout the 5 days. All right, so now we're going to see throughout the 5 days how the difference between the twist and the braids, which side of my hair is more moisturized. By the look of the both side of my hair, which one do you think is more moisturized? Is it this side or this side? So let me know in the comment section below. But I'll just tell you guys, to be honest, by the look of this look really moisturized. I'm surprised by day 6 with twist, my hair be like dry. Like I want moisture, I want water. And by the look of this, to you it may look a little bit dry compared to this, but when of course this look, it feels softer because it's like twist, you know. This little bit like, you know, textured because it's three strings, right? So it's more textured. But when I touch this side of my hair, I'll show you. When I touch this side of my hair, it's moisturized. It's like it feels like there is moisture in my hair. Like there is moisture. Like I don't need to add any moisture. Just if I need to add just water, I can. But I don't need to add oil. I don't need to add leave-in conditioner. I don't need to add any type of hair lotion when I touch this side of my hair. It's like if I do add more, it's gonna whip my hair down. But let me show you. You see, my hand is like still, you can see all the product in my hair. So I'm just gonna clean my hand with this paper towel right here, and do the same for this side. I know this look a bit, this side looks stiff because it's braid, you know, and then this is like twist is gonna be softer. But this is my hand, right? So we're gonna do the same thing. When I touch this side, it's soft. It's soft, but I can add some leave-in conditioner and water, maybe not oil, just maybe to the tip of it, because the tip I've been knotted. I don't know if you saw in the beginning of the video, I was cutting the knot. Twist tend to give you more knot than the braid. See the comparison is less, it's less product. But again guys, which one, this look probably looks more moisturized compared to this, but this feel more moisturized than this. So it's your pick. Which one would you go for? Would you go for this or would you go for that one? Volume if I decided to like fluff both side out. I will not do that in this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a side by side, which one, like a twist side and a braid side, which one you think will give me more volume. Is it the braid side or the twist side? All right, so don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Okay, it's free to be a subscriber, to subscribe to this channel. And if it's your first time, like I said, this is the first video you've seen on my channel, so go back to my channel. I have plenty of videos. All right, so guys, thank you for tuning in to watch this video, and thank you for my return subscribers. I really appreciate you. If you like this more, put in the comment section below twist, and if you like this more, just put braids. All right, which one? All right guys, this is it. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Bye.